Hello viewers, welcome back to Globe Investment. In this channel you'll be getting free trade calls, and in this video I'm going to give few buy calls. So before going to the buy calls, we'll discuss regarding the previous trading calls whose targets got achieved. Now firstly, I would like to welcome all the new members who are visiting to this channel new to this in this video, and I would like to give a brief introduction like how this channel goes and what it is and all. So we'll all be having, as I told, I'll be giving the free trade calls. We'll be having the record of all the trading calls which I have given till now in this Excel sheet, where you can find each and every detail, like on which date I have given the buy call and on which stock and the time frame and the buying price and the targets, and also on which date the targets got achieved and the percentage returns which you are getting based upon my trading calls, friends. So what you can do is you can go to your respective trading platforms and you can even cross verify each and every trade which I have given till date, and because of which you can identify the accuracy and also how fair are my trading calls. So that, because since you are like those who are new, obviously they'll be having the doubt whether like how much accuracy or like how fair are my trading calls. So based upon that you can easily identify the accuracy and the fairness of my trading calls, friends. And finally, it's your money and it's up to you whether you want to invest based upon my trading calls or not. Okay, so there'll be few stocks, like you can see here there are some stocks which are in green color and fully coated in yellow. So that means that these targets, these like shares have achieved all the three targets which I have mentioned here within the time frame itself, which I have mentioned here, and these are the percentage returns which we got. And there are few stocks you'll find like 5 to 6 stocks who like which are mentioned in red colors, but that means what, they have achieved all the three targets which I have given here, but they haven't achieved within the time frame which I have mentioned here. Like they would have crossed like 2 to 3 days more or something like that, but still they have achieved all the three target trends. And the next is you also find in orange color coded one stocks. These are the cryptocurrencies, friends. So in this channel also be getting the buy calls for cryptocurrencies too. Okay, now as I told, we'll discuss regarding the previous trading calls whose targets got achieved first. Among them, the first one is Natco Pharma, whose targets got achieved within 4 days itself, friends. That is, I'll show when I have given the buy call for this stock. That is Natco Pharma. 1 minute. Yes, so if you can see here, friends, I have given the buy call for Natco Pharma like on 20th of last month. Okay, with a time frame of 1 month, friends, with a buying price of 1085, with a T1 of 1113.7, T2 of 1133, and T3 of 1150, friends. And we have achieved this third target on 2nd of this month. And I'll show the same in the market platform also. Just give me a second. It's just loading. So Natco Pharma Limited, so if you can see, as I told, we have achieved this target on 2nd of this month, right? So on 2nd of this month it went till 1172.5. okay, that means, and what was our third target? It's 1150. It crossed the 1150 target and also went till the high of 1170. You can even check the same in your respective trading platforms also, friends. And the next one is so before going to the next one, so the person who invests this much of amount like 5,000, 10,000 or 1 lakh or 2 lakh, since we are getting a return of 5.99, and they'll be getting this much of profit, friends. Okay, and this just within 4 days of time frame, friends. Okay, actually I have given for target of like within time frame of 1 month, but we achieved all the three targets in 4 days itself. The next stock is Deepak Nitrate, which achieved all the three targets I have given within 3 days itself, friends. So that means the person who invests like this much of amount, since we are getting a percentage return of 5.39, they'll be getting a profit of this much, friends, in within 3 days. And I'll show on which date I have given the buy call for this stock. I have given the buy call for this stock same on 28th of last month itself, with a time frame of 15 to 20 days, with a buying price of 1780, with a third target of 1876. And we achieved the third target on 1st of this month, friends. I'll show the same in the market platform too. Let me close these ads. Yes. Now Deepak Nitrate. So as I told, we achieved the target on 1st itself. So I'll see here. So if you can see, friends, on 1st it went till 1888.55. And what was our third target? Our third target was 1876. So it crossed the third target and went till high. Okay, so you can see clearly the targets got achieved And also there are few stocks who like they haven't achieved the third target but crossed the second targets like that. Among them, the first one is Zensar Technologies, whose I have given the buy call for this stock on 11th of last month with a time frame of 20 to 25 days and with a buying price of 311. It crossed the second target of 330.2 on 2nd of this month, giving us a percentage return of 6.17%, friends. And now I'll show the same in the market platform also. So Zensar Technologies. So if you can see here, it went on second to about like rate of 340.7, friends. That means it almost went till the the third target also. It crossed the second target. Here it is. So that is 330.2. The third target is 340. Soon it's also going to cross the third target, friends. Okay. So I think by now you are getting the accuracy of my trading calls, and finally it's up to you whether you want to follow my trading calls or not. So we'll finally go to today's buy calls, which I wanted to give you all, friends. Among them, the first one is Bajaj Auto stock with a time frame of 3 to 6 months with a buying price of 4,170 with a T1 of 4,346 with a T2 of 4,465 with a T3 of 4,540. And the next one is Eris Lifesciences with a time frame of 15 to 20 days with a buying price of 755 with a T1 of 781, T2 of 792.3, T3 of 800. And the next one is GOCL Corp with a time frame of 3 months with a buying price of 274 with a T1 of 284, T2 of 291.55, T3 of 295.6. Next one is Kaveri Seeds with a time frame of 10 to 15 days with a buying price of 760, the T1 of 774.9, T2 of 780 and T3 of 786, friends. And the next one is NCL India with a time frame of 3 to 6 months and the buying price of 205, and the first target is 228, second target is 236 and the third target is 241. And the last one in this video is Techno Electric and Engineering stock with a time frame of 3 months with a buying price of 321.5, the T1 of 335.6, the T2 of 341.2 and the T3 of 344.7. So if you can see, as in my free trading calls, I'll be giving for like based on three sectors, like which will be beneficial for three sectors, friends. That is like one for short-term traders, like 10 to 15 days or like in 20 to 25 days for short-term traders, and next is medium-term traders like 3 months, something like that, and a bit for long-term traders also, those who will be holding for 6 months and all. Previously also I have given long-term trading stocks also. If you can see, if you go previously, you can see here this 6 month stock with a already we achieved the two targets, getting a return of 16.16. And also you can see this one Parimal Enterprise, I have given 6 to 8 months and at buying price 1700 we achieved all the three targets, giving us a return of 25.64%, friends. And also you can see this VSSL stock which is giving a return of 24.61%, friends. Okay, those will be getting very huge profits, like if you are holding for long-term purpose. And I'll always be saying safe traders can book their profits at T2 itself, because in order to attain T3 you'll be getting good returns, but also the risk will also be a bit high. So it's up to you whether you want to hold till T3 or not, because the T1 and T2 may achieve within a very short span of time, and the T3 it may take a bit amount of time, friends. Okay, now I'll say why I have given the buy calls for this like few stocks we have mentioned here. That is the technical analysis. Just log in here. Yes, I didn't log in. So yes, just now I came here. So among them, the first one is the fine. We'll see the Techno Electric and Engineering stock. Okay. So KCL, Kaveri Seeds Limited. Okay, fine. We'll start with the Kaveri Seeds Limited stock, friends. So if you can see here, the vertex, the green color line is above the red color line. This gives one buy signal, and the RSI it should be above 60, and it is 67.39, friends. One more buy signal, and the MACD, the black line, is above the red color line. This gives one buy signal. And if you see the ADX gives the trend. So from here, if you can see, it started moving in the upward fashion. Okay. And if you can see, the Bollinger Bands got started expanded, and the candles are also near the upper band. This gives buy signal. And if you can see the dark color blue line, okay, I'll just zoom a bit. Yeah, the dark color blue line is above this black line, which gives us a buy signal, friends. And the sky blue color line is also above the red color line. This gives from buy signal, friends. And if you want to see the Ichimoku thing, we need to satisfy three conditions. First one is that whether the candles are above the cloud or not. Yes, the candles are above the cloud. The second condition is the super trend, whether it's in green color or red color. So till here it was in red color, but from here it started in the green fashion. And the next one is gray color line, which will be above 15 candles behind, whether it's above the candles or not. So if you can see here, this is the gray color line which got ended here, and it's clearly above the candles a lot. So three conditions also got satisfied in the Ichimoku. So finally we're getting more than 5 to 6 buy signals, friends. This is a perfect buy call stock, friends. The KCL, that is Kaveri Seeds Limited stock. And the next one is GOCL Corp. Okay, so if you can see, as I given for 3 months, we need to adjust the time frame according to it. Minute. Yes. So now if you can see here, friends, again the vertex, the green color line is above the red color line. This gives one by signal, and the RSI should be above 60. It is 64.59. So this gives second one more by signal. And the MACD, the black color line is above the red color line. This gives one by signal, and the ADX it's still flat. Okay. And the Bollinger Band started expanded here, and the candles are also near the upper band. This gives one by signal, and the dark color blue line is above the black color line. This gives one by signal, and the red color line is above the sky blue color line. This also gives one more by signal, friends. Now in order to see the Ichimoku thing, we need to see whether the conditions are getting satisfied or not. So the candles are above the cloud, and the super trend it's in green color, and the gray color line which we need to see. Yes, so the gray color line, this gray color line is above the candles. So the three conditions got satisfied in Ichimoku. So we are getting like more than 5 to 6 buy calls, friends. So this is also perfect buy call stock, friends. And the next one is NCL India. We'll see where it is. Okay, here it is, the NCL India stock. So again, if you can see here, the vertex, the green color line is above the red color line, one by signal, and the RSI it should be above 60. It is 63.33, and the MACD, the black color line is above the red color line, one more by signal. And if you see, the Bollinger Bands got started expanded, and the candles are near the upper band, and the dark color blue line is above the black color line, and the sky blue color line is above the red color line, and the super trend is in green color. The candles are above the cloud, and also the gray color line which we need to see. So the gray color line is also above the candles. Okay, that means we are getting more than 5 to 6 buy call, friends. This is also a perfect buy call stock, friends. And the next one is Eris Lifesciences stock. So now if you see this one, again the vertex, the green color line is above the red color line, and the RSI it is above 60, that is 74.20, and the MACD, the black color line is above the red color line, and the trend it's like started moving slight in upward fashion, and the Bollinger Band started expanded. Okay, and they are in the upper, like in the upper direction, like near the upper band itself. And the dark color blue line is above the black color line, and the sky blue color line is also above the red color line, and super trend is in green color. The candles are above the clouds, and also the gray color line is above the candles itself. Okay, we are getting more than 5 to 6 buy call, friends. This is also perfect buy call stock, friends. And the next one is Bajaj Finance. I think the last one. No, it's not the last one. We need to see 1 minute. Yes, so if you can see here again, the vertex, the green color line is above the red color line, and the RSI it should be above 60, it is 66.24, and the MACD, the black color line is above the red color line, and the Bollinger Band started expanded, and the candles near also the upper band. The dark color blue line is above the black color line, and the sky blue color line is also above the red color line, and the candles are above the cloud, and the super trend it's in green color, and also the gray color line it's like above the candles itself. So hence in this also we are getting more than 5 to 6 buy call stock, friends. So this is also perfect buy call stock, friends. And the next one and the last one in this video is that time techno stock. So yeah, techno electric and engineering stock. Yes, so the vertex, the green color line is above the red color line, one by signal, and this RSI it should be above 60, that is 71. Here it is, so one more by signal, and the MACD, the black color line is above the red color line, one by signal. And if you can see, the Bollinger Bands slightly it started expanding from here itself, and the candles are also near the upper band, and the dark color blue line is above the red color line, and the sky blue color line is also above the red color line, and the super trend it's in green color. The candles are above the this is called the cloud, friends. This shaded part is called the cloud, and we need to see the gray color line, friends, where it is. So the gray color line, if you can see, it's lying above the candles itself. So this is also a perfect buy call stock, since we're getting more than 5 to 6 buy signals, friends. Okay, so till now I have like told the technical analysis of the charts, like on what basis I have given the buy signals, and also I'll be, when I'm giving the buy signals friends, it's based upon the technical analysis and also the market news and the financials of that particular stock friends. And in my video, when I'm giving buy calls, on each and every video I'll be giving a description. In the description I'll be giving regarding the company, like few points regarding the company, because what all stocks which I'm mentioning here, obviously like you may not be knowing all the stocks, like about each and every stock, you may not be knowing. So you don't need to again go and google it somewhere else. In the description itself you'll be finding a few like points regarding about what the company is about, and by that you'll be knowing so in which company you're investing in, what sector you're investing in. So you may invest, like you can see here, it comes under this Eris Lifesciences comes in the health sector, this Bajaj Auto comes in the auto sector, this comes in the fertilizer sector. Okay, so based upon that you can also take the decisions on your own, because depending upon the market trend. So those technical analysis are for those who have some knowledge regarding the technical charts and stuff friends, but those who does not have the knowledge regarding those technical analysis which I explained few minutes before, so they don't need to mind regarding those. They can simply just follow the trading calls which I have given here, because as you can see like based upon my previous trading calls, so you can identify the accuracy and the targets on what basis they are getting achieved. So finally it's up to you whether you want to follow my trading calls or not friends. So before leaving the video, and one more thing which I forgot to say is, while watching this video please watch it in the landscape mode if you are seeing this video in the mobile, so that you can easily see the values clearly. Okay, or else you may find difficulty in like getting the values friends. Okay, and please like, share and subscribe friends, so that it will be motivation to us. And if you share to your friends or family members, like those who are doing the share market, so they'll also be getting beneficial like you friends. Bye bye, and meet you all in the next upcoming videos friends.